Hello, scientists. It's Miss Lawrence. Today we're going to be talking about using our sense of smell to observe the world around us. In your science notebook or workbook, on page 6, it talks about learning with your senses. You're going to read this and think about how scientists use their senses in everyday life. And on the back, I want you to look at this page and complete it, and then you can load it into your journal. But to practice our senses, today we're going to focus on the sense of smell for observation. And this is, you use your sense of smell to learn how things smell. That's really important as scientists and in life, because you never know if something is safe or dangerous. And you might encounter something and you think, oh, I wonder what that is. Let me smell it. So I have in front of me 3 containers, and each container is clear liquid. You see that? They all look like water, don't they? But how could I be sure that they are water? Because remember, as scientists, we do not want to use our sense of taste unless we have permission. So we are not using our sense of taste. Now, your family, depending on what they have selected for you to try out, you might be wearing a blindfold. You might be doing this with something, a cotton ball, a scented cotton ball. Whatever it is, just follow the directions your family gives you. I'm going to do my experiment today with these 3 clear liquids. I have my science notebook and my pencil ready. And I'm going to write at the top, smell test, SMELLTEST. Because remember, scientists record their observations. So there I have mine ready to go. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just mixing them up. I'm going to pick them at random. I have no idea which one is which because they're not labeled. And I'm going to remember that scientists waft senses. We don't stick our nose right in it. We want to be safe and push the air towards us. So I'm just going to carefully open this first container. And since they're all clear, I don't have to be blindfolded. But if it was other things, maybe your parents want you to be blindfolded for this. So I'm going to hold it up here. I'm not going to drink it, but I'm going to waft it. Ready? Woo! Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Okay. I am going to make a T chart. And I am going to make one side my prediction and the other side result. Okay. Whew. My prediction is that this is fingernail polish remover because it smells, whoa, mama. And I recognize that, whew, I have smelled that smell before when my daughter does her nails. So my prediction is that container 1 is fingernail polish remover. I'm going to put the lid back on and set it aside there. That's number 1. And you can see on my observation chart how I did that. And I just drew a picture of fingernails and then remover. Okay. Which one should I pick next? Oh, let's see what this is. I'm not really getting anything. I think this is water because I don't smell anything. It smells empty. So I'm going to draw a picture and I'm going to predict that container 2 is water. Okay, time for container 3. It smells like pickles. Ooh. I think this is pickles. I think it's pickle juice, even though it's not green, which I've never seen green pickle juice, or white pickle juice. But I'm going to draw a picture of that because that's what my prediction is. Whoo, mama. Pickle juice. Oops, I spelled pickle wrong. Good thing I have my eraser. Okay. So these are my 3 predictions in order. 1, 2, 3. I could even label them 1, 2, and 3. Well, guess what, boys and girls? The scientist that I am, I have the answers here. So remember, my prediction for choice 1 was fingernail polish remover. Guess what? I was right. So I'm going to put a check mark on result because I was correct. It was fingernail polish remover. My second prediction for jar 2 was water. Guess what? I was right. It is water. So I'm going to put a check mark here. Now, remember my prediction for choice 3? I said I thought it was pickle juice. Well, guess what? I was sort of right because it was actually vinegar. And people use vinegar to ferment pickles, right? To do the cucumbers and turn them into pickles. So for this one, on my result, I'm going to write the word vinegar because that's what was inside. And there you have it. We made a T-chart. We used our safe sense of smell to do a smell test because that's what scientists do. We use our sense of smell to observe mystery liquids. Have fun doing your experiment. I can't wait to see your notebook and what you smelled today.